beat, Wingcraft.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily install this beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily and quickly install this wig. This wig is from Julia Hair Company. It's a very beautiful curly wig. It also came with two different types of cap. I think it came with the normal wig cap and the HD wig cap, which I think is really amazing because I've not seen it before. This is actually my first time, you know. As always, I just went ahead to use my bearded spray to lay it, and you know, off I go. The wig is so beautiful, as you guys can see. The colors are so pretty, and without further ado, let's just get into the video. And yes, I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. Now let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the wig. So the wig came through DHL. These are the accessories that came with the wig. This is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, the coils are so tight and so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace at the back of the wig. So this is the regular wig cap. Let me just try it on something they have. And this is the HD wig cap. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. After putting on the wig, I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my beard head spray. and then I'll tie a scarf on it for like 10 minutes to dry. After it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and part the wig. You can actually do a side part if you want, but for today I'm doing the middle part. As I part the wig, I'm going to go ahead and twist it as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer to give the parting a more natural look. So now I will moisturize the hair. I'm going to use my water spray and then my leave-in conditioner and heat protectant oil. As you guys can see, the coils are absolutely beautiful and popping. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because I did enjoy making it. Thank you all so much for watching. Love you guys. See you guys very soon. Bye.